Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Now I'm going to be showing you the secrets. So the first secret is, well, this is secrets part 2. In here, so you know, these stingers cost a lot. But yeah, use a free ant pass. You need 10 tickets to use an ant pass dispenser. That's a lot of money. So you know what you want to get? You want to get free ant passes. So just go this way. And boom, there's a free ant pass. Which I've collected. Don't be triggered, I've collected it. So I see I've got 9 views on one of my videos. So one of you guys are people I don't know. So that's good. So the second one, I forgot one. Yeah, I'll just show you that again. So up here, seen that. Up here, you go up here. Try climb this. Just kidding. Go this way. The way I showed you before. Give me some haste. This dude's going to give me some haste. Thanks, bro. So if I go this way. This way. And here's the gummy bee. So if you put a gumdrop on this bee, you might be able to go into its lair. But up here, there's a ticket. We'll drop down. And now I'll show you another spot. This is going to be only like a 6-minute video. Short, if you know me. Okay, so behind here is a pineapple. Okay, up here, there is a glue down there, which I've collected. Snails. I recommend using your sprouts over here. I don't have any right now. 2 royal jellies. Just collect my eggs. It'll take a while to kill that guy. Get up. Yeah. There's the portal you need to go to. I fire the yellow cannon. Most of the stuff's at level 10. The royal jelly up there that most of you guys have seen. You'll need the parachute to get in here. Jellies per gifted. I don't have the bronze star. I've only got 2 gifted bees. But you see this 41 or 40 gifted bees? That's quite a lot of gifted bees. Supreme Star Amulet. Behind here's a free ant pass. Yahoo! So if I go this way, this way, this way. Got to the level 15 area. You guys are 15. If you guys are level 15, get better at the game. Gross. I'll give you some advice. Keep all your stingers. One day you'll have 150. You can get the vicious bee. That might help you a lot. If you find stingers around the map, that's where a vicious bee is. So, and there's 2 gifted star jellies, 2 star jellies. You need the ACT to get through there. Okay, so I've been going the wrong way the whole time. Some of you might have known that. Festive gifts. Thank you, but I'm in a video. That guy. Okay. Mondo chicken spawned. This Mondo chick. So if we go, that pumpkin smiles sometimes. Gives you free stuff. That's a good thing about that pumpkin. He's a happy pumpkin. Happy pumpkin. So I go up here. You'll need a parachute to go up here if you're like me. Boom. To get that, you need to be level 25. Stop planting sprouts. Okay, so in here you need moon antlers. Okay, I can't stop jumping, or else I'll die. Yep. Oh, you saw that royal jelly on the tree. You'll need that, and there's a diamond egg in there. But you'll need to start and let me help these bugs out. Get these, get that. Thank you. That was easy. Thank you, men. If you are men, it's kind of weird. Royal jelly. And that's it. All I have. That's all I have to show you. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Do